Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to use AI, Google Lens and ChatGPT tutorial on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, scroll down and click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search, click on keyboard and search ChatGPT. Click on install. After click on install, you will see app is installing. Start. After installing, click on open. Continue with Google. Allow and you will see after the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.